move the seat. All right, I'm moving the seat. So this is what it looks like now, as I'm gonna take you a little bit round. This is Koikimedia Champions League 2024. It's a very busy one, as now we are moving towards some of what is happening behind the scene. You're watching a Koikimedia broadcast as a very busy one. As you can see, how you doing? How are you? Working hard. What time do you finish? What time do you finish?
We finish by 5, and we have concert at 6:30.
Okay. Is it on tomorrow, I guess, is it?
Yeah, but tomorrow no concert, just the event.
But they're gonna start the game tomorrow.
No, that's what I'm watching.
I was expecting you to say yes. all right. So you can see there, that is the cup there. I don't know who's gonna take the cup tomorrow, but definitely somebody's gonna take the cup. This is Koikimedia. As you can tell that you know, a very busy fans have traveled from all over the world just to come down tomorrow. You know, the London UEFA final 2024. You know, Dortmund versus Real Madrid. You know, a lot of expectation tomorrow. We would have to wait and see who wins tomorrow. But for now, we are giving you the back view, as so much expectation, a lot of pictures, you know, a lot of expectation in the game tomorrow. Many people have traveled down to witness this particular event, and we are here just to give you, you know, the back end of what is happening. All the fans are buying, as you can tell there, all preparing for tomorrow. This is Koikimedia, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. That is the London 2024 official shop where you can, you know, buy your own bit and bit. So let's take you downstairs a little bit. Hello, sir. How are you?
Not bad.
You're working hard.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for looking after us. So now we take you right inside, a little bit deep. As we say all the time, Koikimedia gives it to you as exactly expected. So right now we have all the beautiful, as you can see there, all the magnificent, very beautiful. How are you, sir? Good. You know, as you can tell there, that's a very beautiful one there. Real Madrid, Bayern Munich. Bokibogo can say thank you so much for those of you that are watching us live. A very busy entertainment going on here. Massive entertainment is going on here today, and we are showing you exactly what you need to see as we are continue to give it to you right from here in London. Koikimedia, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. So this is you know, as it's happening down here, and we are looking forward to the game tomorrow itself.